guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got at IKEA and the Dollar Tree. So yeah, well, let's get into the video. So the first place I'm going to start off with is actually IKEA. So I went there with my grandma, my grandpa, and my sister. So it's behind you guys. I don't like. Okay, I can just hold you guys. Okay. So it's like this little cute little cute little candle holder, and then I also got a candle. It is the green apple one. It smells to die for. And the candle holder was $2, and the candle was $1. So the next thing I got from IKEA, which they were sold out of this size that I wanted. That's okay. So I was just gonna get the big size, and I was also thinking about getting the medium size. So I got the big size. We were about to check out, but then you know the 75% off section. We went in there. Then I found the size I wanted, the small one. Then I also got this little pencil case. Oh, by the way, this is 90 cents. I took the label off. That was 90 cents. Then I got this little like pencil holder, which was 99 cents. So I did pretty well at IKEA. I also, oh, sorry, totally forgot. So what's behind me, if I just go a little bit farther back, I got this really cute, here, let me, like this little little fuzzy blanket, and that was only $2.49. It's to go off this chair because it's bright blue and it doesn't match my room. And my cat, like when he wasn't potty trained, like to go outside and stuff in his little box, he peed on this little thing because he thought it was his little box. He also slept on here. So I got this cover, which I was actually looking for. So that was $2.49. I also got this really cute pillow. This was only $3.99. It's really soft. So I just wanted to go like that. Then that rug's actually a rug, but putting it on the chair because it's really comfortable. So also, oh yeah, so I did pretty well at IKEA because I only spent 14 and 16 cents. So, let me grab the bag. So, at the Dollar Tree that we went to, it was $1.25, different currency. You had to pay for bags, but my mom had a bag. This one from IKEA. No, this one from IKEA. So the first thing I got was food. Girl, gotta eat. No, I'm just kidding. So I got this Kinder Surprise Spider-Stick World. I already ate it. So then I got this card holder. With cards. No. So basically, I have my phone with me right now. But so when you're trying to watch YouTube videos, which I do a lot, so you would obviously take the tag off. But so basically you would put it like that in front of you. So like that. So like that. But in this case it's facing you guys. Then you put your phone that way so you can watch your YouTube video. Which my phone's not here right now. So can't show you. Sorry about that. So that's the first thing I got. Well, kind of second thing. I'm reaching into the bag. Oh, yeah. I got this mini stapler because we need it for school. It's 500 staples, 500 refills. So, yep, I got pink. There's a lot of different colors. Then I also got a calculator. Don't know if this will work. Probably should have tested it in the store. Like, so I hit the on button and then like 8 plus 2 or 5, yeah. Equals 10. That's not right. Wait, let me try this again. 8 plus I don't know. So I got it in blue. No, this is like a purpley blue. Ooh, this fell off my bed. So next thing I got was the other half of it. I'll just pull out this thing. So this was like a little container to put all my stuff in. It comes with a lid. Oh, so this is, so at Goodwill, let me go over here. I got this little, ow, it's stuck in my finger. Okay, so I got this little bird cage for like $1.99. There was a sticker in it, so that's why it was so cheap. It opens up right here, but obviously, so I can put like a bird and stuff in there. So it's gonna be for my American Girls, which didn't have a bird at Goodwill. So got one at Dollar Tree. I've never seen these here before. It's like a little bird. It has a clip on it that I can just take that off. That might be useful when I can like clip it onto its like little branch thing, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Sorry, you guys can see my head. So I got the brown one because I like brown ones. I might put 2 in there actually. Looks like they can fit 2. I also got floral foam, which is all this for $1. Really good deal. I thought I picked up 2, but I only picked up 1. I'll make a part 1 of this and a part 2. We'll see how long the part 1 is. Yep. And then if it's really short, then I'll pick up another one. Then I also got this Aspero Nude Lipstick, which is really pretty. So that was it for this vlog. It's 10 minutes. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry, my mom's shouting something. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment down below. If you comment down below in the first week of the video, 2 days, 1 or 2 days, one or 2 days, I will respond back to you guys. See you guys in my next vlog or video.